Hello, everyone. Today, if you are going to Ghana, the one phrase that you should know how to say is, "How are you?" And do you know how we say it in Ghana, Twi? It's the Ashanti Twi, okay? Twi. Because sometimes people confuse Fanti with Twi, people abroad. But we are speaking Twi, Ashanti Twi. And how are you? We say it, s3n. Say it again. s3n. s3n. Okay, now I have an American here. I want her to also pronounce it. Say s3n.
s3n.
No, you don't slang it. Say it again. s3n.
s3n.
Okay, that's better. One more time.
s3n.
Good. So you see, Americans, sometimes when people speak American with an accent, you're laughing at them. You shouldn't laugh at people's accent, you know? It's just because everyone's tongue, depending on your language, you pronounce words differently. Your tongue rolls differently. Like for a typical Ghanaian, we say s3n. You know, as I always tell you, it goes down. It's short vowel. No, it doesn't go long. So we say s3n. Let's do it again. s3n. Beautiful. So now you know how to say, "How are you?" in Twi. So when you go to Ghana or when you see a Ghana person and you want to say, "Hey, I know Ghana sentence. I know something in Ghana." You say, s3n. s3n. Okay? s3n. All right. So that's our lesson for today. Subscribe, share the videos with your friends, and come back for another lesson. Bye.